Hello guys, Lockpicker Mechanic here today with a Yale padlock. As you can see here, it uses the Y1 keyway and it's got 5 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to get it picked with top of the keyway tension and my lunatic. Now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pulling back, feel something 3, got him set. Something 1, no, gonna have to go back to 3, something 1 now. Now I'm feeling something 3. There we are, and we're open. Let's give it a gut and see what's inside. The key pins are all standard, 1 to 5, 1 to 4 on the driver's side are spools, and 5's are standard. Thanks for watching, goodbye.